This mini presentation on animal cruelty and its nexus with other crimes will help law enforcement officers to understand the relationship between animal cruelty and other violent offenses. We hope it will assist the responding officers in identifying and solving current crimes and preventing future offenses from occurring. Animal abuse has long been linked with other forms of antisocial behaviors and criminal violence. It is estimated that animal abusers are 5 times more likely to commit violent crimes against people, 4 times more likely to commit property crimes, and 3 times more likely to have a record for drug or disorderly conduct offenses. The FBI and other law enforcement agencies have recognized the high incidence of repeated animal abuse in the adolescence of the most violent offenders, including serial killers, serial rapists, and sexual homicide perpetrators. It is important for patrol officers, deputies, and investigators to be aware of the nexus of these offenses if they are going to be able to properly investigate past crimes and prevent future crimes from occurring. A representative of the Animal Legal Defense Fund stated, "It's not that animal abuse is more prevalent. What has changed over the past few years is the recognition that animal abuse is often a warning sign for other types of violence." Animal abuse can identify individuals who are engaging in other criminal activities. Reporting, investigating, and prosecuting animal cruelty can help remove dangerous criminals from the street. Animal abuse can expose family violence. If an animal is being abused in a family, it is likely that a child, partner, or other resident is also being hurt or threatened. Investigation of animal neglect or cruelty can provide access to a troubled family. Animal abuse is frequently the most visible sign of family violence, and not accorded the same privacy protection to families. Thus, animal control officers have a much easier access to homes than do other law enforcement and social service agencies. There is a strong consensus among researchers and policymakers that child neglect and abuse, spousal abuse, and animal abuse are all elements of a family violence system. Perpetrators of violence seldom limited themselves to victimizing only one member of the family. Perpetrators of domestic violence often use pets as a way to demonstrate dominance and control of their victim. Abuse of the pet, the lowest or weakest member of the family, is also often used to manipulate a partner or child into compliance with the abuser's demands. Pet abuse can also be used to frighten, intimidate, punish, or retaliate against a partner or child. Finally, following through on threats to injure or kill a pet shows the victim that the abuser is willing to kill an animal and that he may also kill the victim. Since animal abusers target the powerless, crimes against animals, spouses, children, and the elderly often go hand in hand. Abuse of the elderly is not only physical, it can also be emotional or financial abuse. Abuse of a cherished pet can accomplish the same goal as abuse of an intimate partner, intimidation or compliance with the abuser's demands. Law enforcers should be aware of the connection between animal abuse and other criminal behavior, and of the need to treat it as a serious crime. All 50 states have made animal abuse illegal, and every state can now punish the worst cases of animal cruelty as a felony. Many jurisdictions have established cross-training for social service and animal control agencies on how to recognize the signs of abuse and possible indicators of other abusive behaviors.